Try that mango shake again, babe. Hit that coffee. Double fisted, babe. Try drinking the mango shake and drink the coffee at the same time.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. You got a big enough mouth. All right, so what we have here is cookware is available upon request. Lots of cabinet space. It has your lights and everything, guys. It has full, look at that, it has full serviceware in here. And this is Kandi Towers 4. This is their latest edition. I believe she said 2020. We got some footage of the fish downstairs. We are in Suite B3, and we'll put just this footage up of this Kandi facility here. And this is the bathroom. Oh, wow. We didn't see the rest of it, George. There's a full walk-in shower, guys, that you actually have. And they have dryers and everything. And they have nice shampoo, conditioners. They have a shaving kit for you, George. The soap, everything. This is really classy here, babe. Of course, I'm showing you guys the sink and everything. And they've got courtesy slippers, which they might fit George. Anyways, they got an actual scale. They have where they have the complimentary water and they have the snacks. This appears to be like a medicine cabinet like. Probably not a lot more for looks than anything else. They've got the microwave in here. You have more storage. A lot of these are just facilities only. We'll get you some more information in the description of this video. So complimentary, we have where you can get items, as you should be able to see here. Chocolate bars, 100 pesos, nuts and chips, 70, assorted, nuts, 80, that kind of thing. But if you get into the absolute vodkas and stuff and the liquors, you're talking about $350. Did you even see any of that in here?
Oh, there's little shot glasses.
Oh yeah, don't touch that. That's 350 pesos. They got one Hershey bar, and I'm betting it's melted by no means. All right, so that's a no, babe. Go ahead and close that. So they want $6 for the airplane shot. Anyways, so moving on. What else? We got the air. Looks like it's already on the move there. And we have, this is the scene here. They said, there's a robe, George. Looks to be laundry bags, safe, guys, drawers. It has two sides. There it is. Footage, footage, footage. Glow lights. It's a beautiful place. I don't think they have a ton of these. It appeared they showed there were so many of these available. I know it's fully booked tonight because, again, this is also a residency and they do sell these. Yeah, they're more, residencies. They got all the information on how to use things. It looks like this will be, they do have a complimentary breakfast with our room. There is a bistro dine-in, but also it says room service is available. So that's good to know. But who knows? Maybe George, and then maybe we could show him the balcony. And then this is the rest of our stuff they have. Yeah, not much of a balcony, but it has still got a pretty cute little balcony out here. Seems to be the backside. See anything familiar? They're playing in the water, babe.
Are they playing?
What do they got? To be what's going on. All right.
Quando o sol se pôs, pensei em nós dois. Foi a alma que morreu. Tudo escureceu. Bem ao meio-dia, foi no alto Se o que acabou nunca existiu, de onde vem a dor? Quando o sol se pôs, pensei em nós dois. Foi a alma que morreu. Tudo escureceu bem ao meio-dia. Foi no apogeu. Quem diria que seria o fim de você e eu? Mas quando eu olho nos olhos, é tudo bem diferente. A boca fala, mas o coração não mente. O amor é uma teoria explicada por gente. Não parece nem um pouco com o que a gente sente. Se foi uma ilusão, porque
As always. Maybe I turned it off afterwards, but I don't know. Nah, probably not. I might have hit the button when I brought it back over. I don't know. I'm gonna be honest on that one. I might have turned it off after when I came back over here. But either way, the food has arrived. And look at this. We have
Wow, they sliced the grapes.
we have fresh fruit here, guys, with yogurt. We were brought toast and jam. I guess we should take the covers off this. This is pancake that has blueberries, and they made a lemon cheese sauce on this. And then we have an egg, bacon, and cheese slider. So we're going.
mais uma canção não é o suficiente pra cantar. Mais uma emoção não é o suficiente para amar. Mais um verso pro meu Brasil ligeiro, que sol de fevereiro me
So even at
acordou na
15, food brought up to us, good coffees and mango shakes. This is really a lot of food that we're looking at $23, $24 for this. So not bad for room service and a swanky place. Probably still half the price in New York or places we went to where it was what, 60, 80. Remember when we ordered room service, it literally was the Hilton. Wasn't that something astronomical, like $100, 110?
Mm-hmm.
We ended up getting small items and they brought it up, and it was during COVID, and it was absolutely horrid. Because remember, the restaurants were closed at that one time. It's always the weekend for us. Always, guys.
Well, not like that though.
Actually, technically it is. We lose track of time.
Well, that's what I mean. It's like constant. It's like never ending. It's like a little mini vacay.
Really
More than
good.
anything, yeah.
It's like real blueberry, babe. What do you think? George is a coffee connoisseur, so
I am utterly shocked by the lack of salt, to be honest with you.
which is not a bad thing, because a lot of the food in the Philippines is sweet, greasy, high sodium. So it's
usually salty, but not in this not in this place. I don't know if these pancakes go with this.
Drink the coffee first. Work with me on this one.
It's one thing if it has a straw, but it doesn't. You can't.
Yes, you can get the straw in.
No.
Yeah, you did. Try it one more time. Baby, you had the straw. You almost had it.
Yeah, but I'll have it all over me.
No fun.
Not to mention they're different temperatures.
Mm-hmm.
I still have to slurp because it's still hot, burn hot.
That's what would have made it fun.
Yeah, no, it's really good.
All right, say bye. Bye.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that